This is Vishwa, Chef de Cuisine for AMS and the Nest Catering. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bhindi Masala. Bhindi is okra in English. So my oil is hot here. I'm going to put in some cumin. It's crackling, garlic goes in, ginger goes in, and the stem of the cilantro which I chopped up, that goes in as well. That was the okra masala. So hope you liked this recipe. If you have any comments, you have any questions, you want any tips, you can email me at chefdecuisine.ams.ubc.ca. Enjoy.